Hey everybody! So today we're going to make orange extract. So the first thing you want to do is wash your oranges in a vinegar solution and rinse them really well. You don't want to scrub them because you don't want to lose those oils you're wanting to put into your extract. So after you do that, dry them off. And you can do this with any citrus fruit you like, lemon, orange, lime. And then what you want to do is we're going to score our orange. I can already smell it. These have a thin skin. The objective here is to have as little pith as possible. So score your orange and get to where you can get right under that skin and cut it away, leaving as much pith behind as possible. And like I said, the skin on these oranges is really thin, so it makes it a little bit harder. But that's what you want to do. You want to leave that pith behind as best as possible. Because that will leave a bitter taste in your extract, and you don't want that. So get as much of that pith off as you can, and then put it in a jar, whatever size jar you are wanting to make. This is easier if the skin is thicker. And what I'm doing, being mine is so thin, is getting that pith off of this peel. And then in there we go. And just keep doing that. So I'm going to do that until it's full. Okay, once you get your jar full of your citrus peels, you want to take just any brand of vodka. You don't need anything expensive, and cover your peels. Take a lid and just put it in a cool, dark place. And every now and then I shake it up. So there you go. When it's ready, it will look like that. And what you want to do is you want to get a measuring cup or a bowl, a strainer, and a coffee filter, and wet your coffee filter. If you wet your coffee filter, it'll go through better. And then pour your extract through there, and it will catch any sediment that you may have in the bottom of your jar after making your extract. And then just pour it back into a jar or a bottle. I bought these a long time ago. They have those flip top things. but it'll be a nice deep orange, and you can smell it and tell that it's orange. And yeah, so that will be your orange or lemon or lime extract. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. If you make it, come back later and let us know how you like it. So you all stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.